Okay, so we're at the Cedar Lodge here in Glenwood Springs in Colorado. So I'm just going to take you a little walk around so you know what to expect from the place. It's about 40-ish minutes from Aspen drive. Aspen's extremely expensive when it comes to hotels, so we thought we'd drive 40 minutes to this lovely motel. So we'll take you around, see what you think. Okay, so set in the mountains up there. First of all, this is where you come in. This is the office. You come in here, you get your key, and then you're given your room and off you go. But before we start the tour, let's just see what's around. You've got a Starbucks opposite. You've got a Circle K up there. Petrol station as well. What else we got? Bank. I don't suppose you'll need the bank, but you might do. Over the road here, just here, you got a Wendy's. So, you know, if you're literally stuck for something to eat and you just need something quick, there's a Wendy's. Look at the setting. Look at this. Look. All the mountains. It's absolutely gorgeous. Right, so let's get into this show around. So, as I said, there's the office. Let's walk around. It does sound quite noisy from the road, but when you're inside, we're set back quite a bit. So when you're in the rooms, you don't hear any of that. But look at this. So it's on 2 floors. We're on the 2nd floor. And all the parking, you don't pay extra for that. Well, look how big it is. I mean, it's not bad at all, really. And like I say, it's much cheaper than Aspen. I dare say there are other places that you can go. But we really like it here. We've stayed here 2 nights. And we're really comfortable here. So let's show you a little bit more of Cedar Lodge. We've got this swimming pool right in the middle. Kids are in it all day, really enjoying themselves. But no one's out here at the moment. There is another swimming pool. I'll take you round to that. This is what I filmed earlier because no one was in it. So let's just cut to that. Also dotted around the place is your pop and ice. I love how they call soda pop. So you've got a little drinks machine there and your ice machine here. Okay, so there's a few of these dotted around the place, and you have got an ice bucket in your room. As you can see, there's plenty of parking, absolutely tons of parking, and it is very busy here though. So I would assume busy means it is popular. So we're up on the 2nd floor, the top floor up there. So this is the other swimming pool, the indoor one, which I filmed earlier. And this one here is the outside one, which you've just seen. Oh, over here, got that designated smoking area. So there's people in there at the moment. They have shades down. And that's where you can go and have your designated smoke. So everyone's catered for. A very important thing they have here as well. Guest laundry. So let's go and check it out. Another drinks machine. Another ice machine. And will the lights come on? No. Oh yes. And there you go. We have washing machines. 2 washers, 2 dryers. And what is it, $3? Yeah, $3. Give us a wave. How'd you like it here?
Very nice.
Yeah, would you come again? There you go. That's from a customer's point of view, that is. She'd come again. I had a breakfast room every day from 6 a.m. to 9 a.m. Here's some footage I took earlier of that. Now we're up on our floor where our room is. I mean, look at this view. I mean, this is amazing. You get a very good idea of the scale of it. It's just really, really large. Oh, and by the way, something I forgot to say. Over there, they have bike and ski storage. So, you want to bring your bike or your ski? That's where you store it. Also, you can see exactly where the pool is, the outdoor pool is, in relation to everything from up here. And we filmed the room earlier, so I'll just walk you up to the doorway so you can see exactly what it's like up here. And this is what happened in the room. Room 245.
245.
So, first thing.
Aircon. Let's pop that beauty on. There we go. Oh, nice. Older style room, of course, but you quite often find this in the cabins in the woods. This is Cedar Lodge. 2 queen beds. Very comfortable, nice and firm. Housekeeping services every day. There's USBs and plug sockets there, and USBs in the lights as well.
Actually, it's a plug socket in the light.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. 1 USB down here and a plug socket the other side.
Television. Not that big, but you know, who's watching telly.
Couple of drawers.
Nice fridge. Nice cold Diet Pepsi. Quite a big fridge.
Quite, yeah, decent.
Microwave.
So, microwave, ice bucket, and there are ice machines. Coffee maker. Round to the vanity area.
That's where the vanity takes place.
Okay.
We've got hanging storage space there.
Yeah, nothing. Oh, there is no safe, is there?
No, no safe here, which is a little bit of a pain, but it's okay. Usual setup here. Fixed head, shower head.
They have dial as well, which I'm happy about because I love dial every time we come to the States.
You're so weird. Loads of towels. And
Yeah, toilet. It's all very clean.
but much older style.
Yeah. Anyway, so, you know, it's clean, it's dated, but it's cheaper than staying in Aspen.
Yeah, and it's really nice as well. And you're only down the road from the Glenwood Springs Hot Springs, which is, we may show you as a little added extra.
Little treat. So, here we are at the Cedar Lodge here in Glenwood Springs. here at Glenwood Springs. I've really enjoyed it. The bed's so comfortable, aren't they?
Yeah, lovely.
Yeah.
Really nice.
Yeah, I mean, pillars are still an issue, but I'm going to get that wherever we go. But I really enjoyed it, and like I said many times, it's not Aspen prices, and it's 40 minutes away, so you can easily do that.
Brilliant.
Yeah, so we'd definitely stay here again.
And the lovely hot springs up the road.
Oh, yeah, yes. So hopefully we put that footage in by now, but yeah, go and check that out as well, because it's such a draw, and it's such a, you know, we felt so relaxed, didn't we, after
couple of hours, yeah.
couple of hours, yeah. So anyway, please subscribe, please like, please get that thumb right up, and we'll see you next time.
Bye.
Look at the view, shall we?